What do you get when you cross a DIY fuel cell science kit with a healthy dose of imagination?
Rocket-powered office chair?
How about endless hours of hands-on, science-based learning for the entire classroom? The DIY Fuel Cell Science Kit introduces elementary and middle school students to the basic principles behind hydrogen fuel cells and lets them use their creativity to build a fuel cell-powered vehicle from scratch. With our one-of-a-kind reversible fuel cell, students will create their own hydrogen through electrolysis and generate electricity from the hydrogen they've created. They'll then design an H2-powered car and experiment with different materials to build a prototype they can test right in the classroom. Our activity guides and included curriculum also make it super easy to plan lessons around the DIY Fuel Cell Science Kit. Add our chassis kit to get a ready-made chassis and wheel set. Or buy a classroom pack to get your whole class involved. Either way, there's no limit to what your students could create.
Rocket-powered office chair!
Except that.